and he was very happy there because he was alone there, and he also was no he also could eat as much as fruit he wanted to eat from the tree. One thing just he missed was there he missed one companion. He wanted a companion there. Companion means, students, someone who is with you, who can spend time with you, who can talk with you. So similarly, same sort of companion he wanted there. He wanted someone to be there with him for talking and to sharing the food with. So one day, one crocodile came there, and monkey just greeted him and said him, "Do you want some fruits?" So he offered some fruit to the crocodile. Crocodile was also very happy receiving the food, because the purpose of crocodile coming to the shore of the river was just to get some food. The crocodile had also come there in the search of food for himself and for his wife. क्रोकोडाइल भी जो वहाँ पे आया था वो इसीलिए आया था कि उसको थोड़ा सा फूड मिल जाएगा खाने के लिए. So this way now they become known to each others. After that, crocodile just told him that if I come tomorrow or next day, or will I get fruits again. वो कहता है क्या मैं कल भी आऊँगा या अगले दिन भी आऊँगा तो क्या मुझे fruits मिलेगा. Then monkey told him, why not, as much as fruits you want you have, you also take some fruits for your wife. So this way, the crocodile started visiting the monkey every day and regularly, you can say, students. Crocodile जो है वहाँ पे रोज जाने लगता है monkey के पास, and he became both have became the best friends. दोनों बहुत अच्छे मित्र बन जाते हैं. After that, they in the leisure time, you can say leisure time, they kept talking. They talked for talked so much, and what they talked about the villages nearby and the villages, birds and animals, and they talked about the villages nearby and talked about the problems of the peoples, or you can say the problems of the farmer, how much difficulty they have to face in growing the crop due to the lack of rain. So these are the things they used to talk in the leisure time. It is one question is also has been asked related to same and thing, students, that what did the monkey and crocodile talk in their leisure times, or what did they talk about, मतलब वो किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करते थे in their leisure time. So they talked about the birds and animals and the villages and the people's problem of the peoples in growing the crop in the absence of the rain or in the lack of the rain. So this was the first part, you can say, students. We just in this we studied that there was a monkey who had his house in a tree near the rivers. He was very happy there because he could eat as much as fruits from the tree he could eat, because there was no another monkey like him around that tree or around that place. So one thing, and at the another hand, he was unhappy a little bit because he wanted a companion. He wanted a companion. It means he wanted someone to be with him for talking and sharing the fruits. वो चाहता था कि कोई उसके साथ हो वहाँ पे, जिसके साथ वो फ्रूट्स को जो उसको वहाँ अवेलेबल थे उसको शेयर कर सके और उसके साथ वो खाली टाइम में बात कर सके. One day, one crocodile came there, or you can say appeared there on the river sides, and monkey just greeted him and told him that do you live in this river. The crocodile also told him that yes, I live in this river and I have come here in the search of foods. So therefore the monkey just plucked some fruits from the nearby branches and threw them down to the for the crocodiles. So after that, crocodiles started coming to that place regularly, and both monkey and crocodile became friends. उसके बाद दोनों क्या बन जाते हैं, दोस्त बन जाते हैं. And in their leisure time, they used to talk about the birds and animals and the villages around that place, and the problem of the farmers, how much difficulty they face in growing the crops due to the lack of rain. So these are the things we had to study in the first parts. Now let's talk about what happens after this. इसके बाद क्या होता है. So one day, as students, as we know that the monkey, the crocodile would come to him daily. उसके पास daily आता था, and he would also spend lot of time in talking with him there. So one day he got too late, and due to which his wife became so furious, so annoyed that He had asked the questions that where were you, why did you get late, why you have come late, who is your friend that you are so fond of. She started asking such questions to the crocodiles. Then he told her that I have a friend, he's very nice, and always he always sends fruits not for only for me but for you as well. He's a very nice monkey. So after when she came to know that he's a very nice monkey, so she expressed wish to eat that monkey. That it may be your friend, it may be nice for you, but I think it is something. If I get opportunity, I will I will eat his heart. अब वो जो उसकी वाइफ होती है क्रोकोडाइल की, वो कहते हैं कि इफ आई गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, मैं उसके जो हार्ट है उसको खाना पसंद करूंगा, बिकॉज इट मे बी वेरी डिलीशियस, वो बहुत क्या हो सकता है, डिलीशियस हो सकता है. So this is hearing this, the crocodile becomes so very angry because he didn't wanted to kill his friend, didn't want any do any harmful things to his friends. वो कुछ उसको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहता था. So thus he became friend, but his wife of ordered, even in the very strict tones, she ordered that now you just bring him here and I will eat his heart. So after hearing this, he was in the serious dilemma. Serious dilemma. Dilemma is a word, students. Dilemma or dilemma, whatever you want to pronounce it, you can say. It means that when you are in dilemma, you are in a very you are in a situations where you have to choose from the equally important things. मतलब दो ऐसी important choice होती है आपके पास जो दोनों ही important होती है, उसमें से आपको एक जो चॉइस होती है उसको एक चॉइस को आपको एक का सिलेक्ट करना होता है. सो on one hand he was there was his wife, and she was his life partner, and another hand his best friend monkey was there. So he had option to lose once and choose once, you can say. So here he was in a dilemma, therefore the crocodile was in the dilemma here. So finally he decided to be the side of his wife, after all, because she was her life partner. So he decided to invite the monkey at his house, or you can say at his home, over the dinner. So next day he went to the monkey and told him that my wife want you, his over no want you over the dinner, or you can say over a meal. So would you like to come to? Not he just requested. He strictly told them, you have to come to today to my house. आपको मुझे आज मतलब तुमको आज जो है मेरे घर आना पड़ेगा. So after that, monkey told him that how I can swim. I am not good swimmer, but what I can do is that I can ride on your back. Then I can go there. मैं तुम्हारे बैक पे जो है राइड करके वहाँ पे जा सकता हूँ. So they started. Monkey just came down, sat on the back of the crocodiles, and they started going in the river. When they reached midway and where the stream was very strongest, students, there the monkey not monkey, crocodile just couldn't hide his intention, hide his plan. वहाँ पे वो अपने जो प्लान है, उसकी जो इच्छा थी, उसका पर्पज था, उसको बताता है, उसको छिपा नहीं पाता है. सो ही टोल्ड द मंकी दैट नाउ आई हैव टू गो डाउन, मुझे अब अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, because I have to bring here, I have brought you here to kill you, because my wife wants to eat your heart, because without your eating your heart she cannot survive, it means she cannot live. So here, as he heard monkey, as the monkey heard, he was very scared and he was very distressed. So before we move to the third part, students, in the first part, let me again revise you, let me again quickly summarize. We studied about the princess of the monkey and crocodile, where the monkey lived. You also must be knowing the place where did monkey live, kahan monkey rehta tha. Then after that they become friend, and in their free time they used to talk about what they used to talk about. You also know, I have discussed. In the second part we discussed that one day the monkey crocodile was late, so her wife was his wife was, beg your pardon, his wife was very annoyed, very angry. She asked that where were you and who is your friend you are very fond of, कौन सा तुम्हारा मित्र है जिसके पास तुम जाते हो, you spend so much time. So after that, no, crocodile's wife wished to eat the heart of the monkey, which made the crocodile angry, but he had no choice, because after that even she left to show her anger. I missed this point even. To show her anger, crocodile, to show her anger, she even went down into the bottom of the rivers, leaving the two children crocodiles, you can say, or the babies crocodiles there. So this way, monkey crocodile was in dilemma. He had to choose between his friend and his wife. So whom did he choose? He chose his wife, and he decided to bring the monkey home for the eating of the for the as a food for his wife. So as they reached midstream, first he didn't tell the monkey when he went to him that now you have to go to my house because my wife wants to eat your heart. He didn't tell initially, but when they reached midstream, जब बीच मझधार में पहुंच जाते हैं, then the crocodiles told the monkey that now I have brought you here to kill you because my wife wants to eat your heart. So there monkey, now we will study what happened after that in the third part. So after that monkey became very scared and distressed. Distress means unhappy students, and scared means become frightened. But still he didn't lose his mind. He kept a cool head. Cool head एक word phrase आया होगा students. Cool head means if you keep a cool head, it means that you are not disturbed by the adverse circumstances, or you remain calm in the difficult circumstances or difficult situations. मतलब आप घबराते नहीं हैं. So monkey was a sensible one. He kept a cool head, and he said that why did you not tell me initially? Because my heart is nothing compared to your wife health or wife death. I will do everything for you because you are my best friend. So monkey started just saying all these things, and after that he told him that why did you not tell me initially? Because I have left my heart on the tree. So crocodile, just as a innocent, as if he didn't know about it, said that I didn't know. I thought that you must be carrying your heart along with you every time. So definitely a monkey told him that yo, it is not. Listen, it is not so. ऐसा नहीं है, because I have left my heart on the tree, so we will have to go back, and so that I can bring my heart. Then your wife will be able to eat my heart. So this way the crocodile just took a turn and took him to the tree again. And after reaching there, the just monkey jumped on the tree, and then he felt very comfortable. Now he thought that now I am safe. He took a heave a sigh of relief. One phrase has come there, students. Heave a sigh of relief. If you heave a sigh of relief, it means that you feel comfortable. Now you are relieved that something no, unpleasant is just no more unpleasant. Something that was unpleasant was about to happen to you is no more, and it will not happen. You are just free from that worry, uh, uh, tension or stress, you can say. So after reaching on the tree, he was felt very relieved. He was very comfortable, and said that now I just giving you some fruits. Take these fruits and give to your wife, because the fresh fruits are beneficial, or no, good for the health. So after no realizing that, now the monkey, when the crocodile realized that he has been cheated, and so he cried there. He shed few tears there, showing that don't know how the greed, or he can say because of his wife, the friendship has come to an end. कैसे उसकी wife की वजह से दोनों की जो दोस्ती है वो क्या हो गई थी, खत्म हो गई थी. Even monkey told him that if you don't mind, never visit this place again. अगर तुम्हें कोई बुरा मत मानो तो इस जगह पे तुम कभी दोबारा मत आना. So this was the simple story. This is story something you must already, many of you must be knowing, students. So after if you have any doubts, I will take your questions. After that, we will discuss its question answer, so that you understood this chapter no properly. And whenever you are asked a question related to this chapter, you can write or tell anyone if anybody asks the question. So before discussing the question answer, now I will take your doubts. If you have any doubts or anything that you didn't understand, you can ask your question here. So students, is there anything that you didn't understand in this story?
Sir, what is the meaning of laden?
Laden, that if anything is laden with something, the things are there, like the tree was laden with the fruits. It means fruits were there on the tree, loaded with something, जिसपे वो चीजें हों. Clear?
Meaning of genuine.
Genuine means real. Meaning of genuine is real. Like the sentence is there, he shed few tears, which was genuine. Did you understand the story?
Sir,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the meaning of dilemma?
Dilemma. Dilemma means if you are in dilemma, असमंजस.
Dilemma.
हिंदी में जिसे असमंजस बोलते हैं. If you are in dilemma, you are in the two situation. You have to choose one, and both are important, equally important. कोई भी चीज जो बिल्कुल important, like if somebody asks you that you have to choose between your father and mother, so both are important. So in such circumstances or such situation is called dilemma. उस स्थिति को असमंजस की स्थिति कहते हैं जहाँ पे आपको समझ में ना आए कि किसको मैं चुनूं, कौन सा ऑप्शन मैं चूज करूं.
Yes, sir. Sir, जैसे crocodile फंसा था.
Yes, crocodile was in dilemma.
Sir, obvious मतलब.
Yes, sir.
Obvious means clear, स्पष्ट,
Sir,
clear,
obvious मतलब.
clear, clear. Anything, if anything is obvious, it is quite clear. स्पष्ट होती है वो चीज. Now
Sir,
you
वो
all tell me,
क्वेश्चन नहीं मतलब.
Sir, what is the meaning of betray?
betray means cheat, धोखा देना, cheat somebody.
Sir, what is the meaning of sarcasm?
Sarcasm. Yes, students, one there is a word that is sarcasm. Sarcasm means to say the opposite.
Current मतलब क्या होता है?
You all listen carefully. I am telling you the meaning of sarcasm. One very important word is there, sarcasm. It means that if you sarcasm means something, whatever you say, you mean opposite. Like अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा है, so if you say that अरे you are very tall, so we are saying tall, but it means opposite. He is very small. We just say it to make fun of that boy. Like if somebody is very dull in study, so we might say you are very excellent student. So sometimes we use sarcasm to make fun of others. सार्केज्म का जो यूज करते हैं हम दूसरों का मजाक उड़ाने के लिए. जैसे कोई बच्चा पढ़ने में अच्छा नहीं है, उसको हम बोलते हैं तुम्हारे जैसा तो कोई इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा ही नहीं है. सो सच सेंटेंसेज या सच वर्ड्स you can say are sarcasm we use to make fun of others.
Sir, foolish का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब sir, furious.
Furious means angry.
Sir, foolish क्या होता है? Distressed. Sensible.
Happy. Furious means angry. And you don't be worry about word meaning. I will send you the meaning of these words. Is there any word which
Sir, foolish. Sir, foolish का meaning.
You are not
Sensible meaning.
sensible means clever.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Foolish का meaning.
Pester means.
One student
Sir, pester.
pester means trouble, परेशान करना, trouble. To trouble somebody some.
Sir, genuine मतलब. Sir, distressed का meaning. The meaning of distress.
Distress means unhappy. Anything else?
ये रुको ना पूछ रहे. Genuine.
Who is there? Yes, anything else?
Genuine.
Genuine means real. If anything is genuine, it's real.
Sarcasm का क्या meaning बताए थे?
Sarcasm.
Distress मतलब.
Try to understand. You can search in if you want to. Sarcasm means something that whatever we say, we mean opposite. We use it to make fun of others. Like if I gave you the example that if somebody is not good in study, so you can, to make the sarcasm of him, to make tell the words, tell the sentence which is quite opposite. Like we can say that you are very intelligent boy, and in reality he is not very intelligent. So we use this sentence to make fun of him. So such.
Disaster मतलब.
Yes, tell again.
Disaster.
Disaster. Something is disaster. It's very full of sorrow. दुख से भरा हुआ होता है. That you don't like unpleasant situations. त्रासदी जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Now you all tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of hissed?
Hissed is the sounds created
Sir,
by
foolish का मतलब क्या होता है?
to show the disappointment.
Sir, current का मतलब क्या होता है?
Stream. Here it means stream. Who is Anuj Kushwaha? Sit properly. Anuj. Anuj Kushwaha.
क्या हुआ?
Anuj
चल तो गया,
Kushwaha.
अभी कैसे चलेगा? ओ, ओपन
Can
करो।
you hear me, Anuj Kushwaha? Sit properly. Students, before we have just 8 minutes, so let's discuss this question answer.
देखो
Now see the question. First question. The monkey was
देखो,
happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not
रुको,
complete.
पहले
What
कुछ
did he
चला
miss?
के देख लो।
What did
तुम्हारा ऐसे ऐसे चल
Because he
रहा
was
है,
feeling
इतना ऐसे
alone.
ऐसे करोगे,
the monkey was happy,
because
ये
he
ऊपर
happy
ऊपर
living in
नहीं
the
हो
fruit
रहा है तुम्हारा,
tree,
ऐसे ऐसे करोगे तो आएगा।
but his happiness was not complete.
Shreya,
What did he
please
miss? Can
mute
you
लगेगा?
yourself.
repeat this question?
गाना देखोगे?
Shreya
कौन
Gupta.
सा?
Shreya Gupta, make
Yes,
sure
sir.
no sounds comes here. Make sure you are talking. The monkey was happy living in the fruit tree. Students, can anyone answer this question? What would be the answer of this question? What?
Yes, sir. We were very alone. Yes, sir. Sir, he is feeling very alone.
He missed very alone. He missed a companion. He wanted a companion there. Although he was happy, but at the same time he was little bit sad because
Alone.
there was no one with whom he could share fruits as well as he could talk. So he missed the companion. The simple answer you can give it, miss the companion. What did the two friends generally talk about? It's very simple question. What did the two friends generally
Animals,
talk about?
birds. Because they talked about birds and animals, they also
Yes,
discussed the
they talked about birds and
They
animals.
talked about birds and animals,
farmers.
villages
Third
and
question.
farmers.
Why was the
And
crocodile's wife annoyed
farmers
with her
how
husband
to
one day?
grow crops.
Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed
Sir,
with him one day?
because he was late to come the house.
Crocodile's wife was
Sir,
annoyed
because he was late.
because he was late.
Because he was
very
late.
Yes, because he was late. Why,
Very late.
why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? Why was crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? क्यों वो अपने फ्रेंड को घर पे नहीं बुलाना चाहता था?
Sir, because his wife want to eat his friend heart, and he never want to kill his friend.
Very good, very good. Because his wife wanted to eat the heart of the monkey, and crocodile didn't want to kill his best friend. Therefore, also he was not willing to invite his friend home. How did monkey save himself? How did monkey save himself? Monkey ने अपने आप को कैसे सेव किया, कैसे बचाया?
The foolish crocodile believed the monkey and took him back. He saved the crocodile. His heart to crocodile.
He told the monkey that he had left his heart on the tree. So please, then I would be able to. Okay, students. Now you can are you seeing? Please make sure nobody is around you and talking. Are you seeing? What does the last sentence of the story suggest? What would the crocodile tell his wife? You can see the last sentence of the story, students. It is that
He was in
he was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. So what does this? So what does it mean?
His wife thing or do.
Since students now he had lost his friendship or his friendship with the monkey had come to an end, so therefore he must be very angry. Crocodile जो होगा बहुत angry होगा, and so he must be he must be in a, very angry. So he just wanted to scold his wife. वो अपने वाइफ को स्कोल्ड करना चाहता होगा, डांटना चाहता होगा. So therefore he was in a hurry and wanted to tell things or two to his wife. It means he was angry and he wanted to scold his wife. वो जरूर डांटना होगा या कुछ उसे, इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा चाहता था कि मैं जाऊं और कुछ उससे झगड़ा करना या कुछ भी डांटना कह सकते हैं आप. He must be angry, so he wanted to scold his wife. So these were the question answer. Is there any question or answer you didn't understand?
No, sir.
Is this chapter clear now?
पैराग्राफ में जो
Yes.
सर एक
लास्ट पैराग्राफ
का
है
आंसर
उसमें
बता दीजिए।
CBS.
सर नीचे से जो थर्ड लाइन है उसमें क्या लिखा
Third line. Which paragraph you were talking about?
है? सर लास्ट पैराग्राफ में
You read. Can you read the sentence?
Question number 5.
नीचे से थर्ड सर GEN
Genius. Genius. It's genius. Now one student is asking about the question number 5. Are you saying what you are taking, tea or water? Are you saying you are taking full advantage of being at home? Now students, can anyone answer what is the answer of the question number 5? Question number 5 तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा?